Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It is hashtag Dex It Up for February. It's come around quite quick for me because I started quite late in January, but I decided to get this one out of the way for the first week of February. Dex It Up is an open collaboration and it's once a month or the first of every month. It's hosted by Aliade Pina and Scrappy Lollypaper Co. Now I hope I am pronouncing the names properly, but last month when I did one, I really enjoyed myself. Really, you know, Memorydex cards, altering them and decorating them, embellishing them, it just feels so good to just sit down. Your mind is just gone. You know, you're just cutting, gluing, getting stickers out, organizing what you want, alphas, all sorts of bits and pieces. So it's so exciting. So this is my contribution for this month, the month of love, apparently. But you know, I give love and receive love every day of the week. So I am just so humbly grateful for that. So this is it. And I really do love it. Now I'll tell you what I used for this. I did use, let's see now. Let's see what we should start off with. First of all, scrap papers. This one's got really tiny polka dots and love hearts on it. It is so pretty, and the back is plain. I just added an extra cardstock to the back to sturdy up, and I just love the way it feels. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing was I used these. For the top here, and I did die cut 3 of them so they're nice and sturdy, and I just glued just the top, the rim bit, and the other pieces are quite open. You can lift it and I could tuck things under there if I wanted to add anything more to this. So that's what I did. I used this one as well, and I used it for here. I did use these alpha stickers for the love, and this played a major part. I love this sticker book. I used it for the rose, the February, and the background with the bench. It's like a bridge. It's got a building. There's a building behind her with sort of like an arch. It's really nice, and it's got the street lights. So pretty. And as you can see, the bench. It's one of those walking areas, so you haven't got any cars to disturb you or anything. It's just really nice. And I love the bench as well. And it's got the railings. It's just got so much bits and bobs to it. And then we've got some greenery here at the back. That's just so nice. And I used this sticker book. Love her. It was so much pretty girls in there, pretty dolls, that I was just confused. I didn't know which one to use. They've got some lovely stuff in here. And I was going to use this one for the corner, but I decided I was going to use this one for the corner somewhere, you know, somewhere around the place here, but I decided to leave that and use it for something else. But I really enjoyed using this a sticker book. Let's just put that at the front there. So that is that. And I did ink up the edges of everything. Actually, let me just ink this up because this was the last to go on. There we go. Yeah, that was the last to go on before her. Oh, and then February. Make up your mind. I just wanted to add and add and add, but you know, this is all good. It's lovely. It's lovely. It is lovely. Turned out so nice. There we go. And I used the Distress ink, the walnut stain. So that is my contribution for Dex It Up February. Lovely. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.